What's up guys, Marshall here, and in this video I'm going to show you J cuts and L cuts within Adobe Premiere Pro 2021. So let's go ahead and jump into it. So first off, you're going to need two separate clips with the audio to perform a J cut or a L cut. So right here I have a clip of my buddy Josh skateboarding, and if you listen, you can hear the audio. It's a little rough transition wise. So what we can do real quick is take the audio from the second clip and tuck it underneath of the first clip a little bit, or perform a J cut. So anyways, basically you unlink both of these. Sometimes these are linked up, so if they are like that, just do a Command L, it unlinks them, and then you can just drag over the audio from the first clip and drag to the left the audio from the second clip. And then there's our basic J cut. And this just helps transition from clip A to clip B audio wise, in my opinion. I do this quite a bit, especially with skateboard edits. And one other thing I like to add to it is a slight dissolve of the audio. So now if you listen, it works pretty well. I'd probably drag it a little bit more, make it a little bit bigger to that little spike right there in the audio, but let's see. Yeah, I'm pretty happy with that. One other thing I wanted to show you all is a L cut. It's basically just the opposite of a J cut. So we take the audio from this B clip right here and trim it a bit, and then we pull the audio from the first clip, or the A clip, and then create a L cut, as you can see here, and then do the constant power. Let's see what we sound like here. I personally, for this cut, would probably go with the J, just to link it with that spike right here in the audio, so it goes right whenever he lands. But yeah guys, that's basically, just wanted to show you what a J cut and an L cut is within Adobe Premiere Pro 2021. If you have any questions at all, like always, leave them in the comments below, and until next time.